14-year-old Shelly-Ann Anderson missing from Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. A 14-year-old student identified as Shelly-Ann Anderson of Goffe Terrace, Kingston 11 has been missing since Saturday, July 23rd. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 157 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches tall. Reports from the Hunts Bay police are that at about 11 a.m., Shelly-Ann was last seen at home wearing a pink blouse and pink tights. All efforts to contact her since then have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shelly-Ann Anderson has been asked to contact the Hunts Bay police at 876-923-7111, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.